everyone, I am Aishwarya Kunappa. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to GSSSIETW and our beloved Secretary Madam for initiating a wonderful training program on entrepreneurial development. This program provided me a valuable insights into identifying the business opportunity, funding and venture capital, digital entrepreneurship.
The ET workshop was highly informative and engaging. The session provided valuable insights on innovation, business plans and entrepreneurship development.
So what made the workshop unique was the combination of the knowledge sharing and as well as the interactive activities that helped us to think creatively and also develop the entrepreneurial mindset.
Through this workshop, we have learned many things such as innovative and creativity and leadership and taking initiative. A normal business idea can be converted into a successful business venture.
Overall, it was a wonderful learning experience and I would like to thank the organizers and speakers for conducting such a useful workshop. Thank you.